Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add TubeBuddy on your Chrome. So you need to write on Google TubeBuddy Chrome extension. Here install free extension here. Click on this and now still install free now. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, so you can see now it has added the TubeBuddy. So now you can cancel this and you can look at here TubeBuddy I have got here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna refresh this page. Now you can see TubeBuddy is on my channel here, but I need to sign in, so sign in required. Click I have read and agree and then sign in with YouTube. So whatever account you have with your channel, so you can click one of them. I just created a how to, so I'm gonna get this one. Allow. Okay, so it has set up, TubeBuddy has set up. So now you can check out videos tagging of other videos and your videos. So let me show you how your channel. Now as I told you, whenever you whenever you're gonna have the TubeBuddy on your channel, so you can see somewhere here your text. So now you can see here are the texts. Is in the previous video I told you how to add text, so now you can see all those texts are here. So this is what TubeBuddy does, and you can also see your performance here. And for example, if I go to the YouTube and I click on any video, I just don't play, I'm gonna show just example here. So you can see their views, comments, likes, dislikes, and their text as well. You can get some text from here as well if your content is related to this video, like soccer, football, so you can get some text from here. And another thing is that when you go to here your channel and come to YouTube Studio, go to videos, then click edit details. Now you need to come down here and look, it's loading and it is showing the rating. These are the top 3 texts on YouTube related this content. So this is what TubeBuddy helps. So you can add this text, how to play PUBG mobile on laptop. So you can add this, you can add this, you can add this one, add this one, but not wording should be within 500 words. The wording should be 500 words, not more. So let me add one more. Look, 492. So this is enough for this video now, and save it. So this is how TubeBuddy helps to see the performance of your YouTube channel and other YouTube channel. For example, let me show you. For example, as I play this video, so I'm gonna show this channel. It is showing your performance to them. Here are their performance and here is your performance. So when you will have some views here on your channel, so you will also have your graphs here, how you are performing and how they are performing. So this is how you can see other performance as well and other stakes as well. Look, others channel stakes are here. This channel is about football, so they are having these stakes. Hope you like this video and give your comment. What do you want to know, something more related to your channel as well. Thank you.